Hello, this is Tamir Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair for September 16th, 2016. The Euro is continuing its sideways range-bound movement as it has been doing for a year and a half now. This seeming lack of action can be brutal for long-term traders on the weekly chart, but it does provide plenty of opportunities on the daily and hourly charts, which are available to our premium members. The good news is that after this type of nerve-wracking inaction, the market inevitably goes into hyperdrive of activity sooner or later, usually in the direction of the previous trend, and we're providing two competing alternatives and waiting for the market to show which one to follow. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So beginning as usual with the big picture on the weekly chart, we see that the euro is moving towards the downside in teal wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled maroon waves W, X, and Y, where maroon wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled black waves A, B, and C, and within it we see that black wave A formed an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, and now black wave B is forming a contracting triangle labeled blue waves A, B, C, D, and E. Now zooming into the main count on the daily chart, blue wave D is forming a double zigzag labeled pink waves W, X, and Y, where pink wave W formed a zigzag labeled green waves A, B, and C. Then pink wave X formed a double zigzag labeled green waves W, X, and Y. And now pink wave Y is forming another zigzag labeled green waves A, B, and C. Within it, green wave B is most likely forming a flat labeled orange waves A, B, and C, where wave A is complete and orange wave B is near completion to be followed by another rally in orange wave C to complete green wave B. After that, this count expects that the euro will move towards the downside in green wave C to complete pink wave Y and therefore blue wave D. So the targets for this main count begin at 1.0931, where pink wave Y would reach 61.8% the length of pink wave W. Then at 1.0662 it would reach 100% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1366 as green wave B within this zigzag may not move beyond the start of green wave A. Now moving over to our alternate count, we examine the possibility that pink wave X is still unfolding as a flat labeled green waves A, B, and C, where green wave A formed a double zigzag and green wave B is most likely forming another zigzag. So this count expects the euro to first move towards the downside in orange wave C to complete green wave B, and then rebound towards the upside in green wave C to complete pink wave X. So our targets for this alternate count begin at 1.1348, where pink wave X would retrace 61.8% of pink wave W. Then at 1.1466, it would retrace 78.6% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1616, as within this double zigzag, pink wave X may not move beyond the start of pink wave W. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.